Welcome to this lesson on molar volume. Today, we're going to learn about a very important concept in gas chemistry. How much space does 1 mole of gas occupy? This is a fundamental constant that you'll use frequently in your chemistry calculations. By the end of this video, you'll understand what molar volume means and why it's always the same value at standard conditions. Before we talk about molar volume, we need to understand what STP means. STP stands for standard temperature and pressure. These are specific conditions that chemists use as a reference point. Standard temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, which is the freezing point of water. Standard pressure is 1 atmosphere, which is the normal air pressure at sea level. Whenever you see STP mentioned in a problem, remember these two values, 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere. Here's the key concept you need to remember. 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies exactly 22.4 liters. This is called the molar volume. It doesn't matter which gas you're talking about, whether it's oxygen, nitrogen, helium, or carbon dioxide. As long as you have 1 mole of gas at standard temperature and pressure, it will always occupy 22.4 liters of space. This is one of the most important constants in chemistry. You might be wondering, why is the volume always 22.4 liters, regardless of the type of gas? The answer lies in how gas molecules behave. At STP, gas molecules are spaced similarly apart from each other, no matter what gas you're looking at. The volume a gas occupies depends on the number of particles present, not on what type of particles they are. 1 mole contains the same number of particles for any substance, so 1 mole of any gas takes up the same volume. Let's look at some concrete examples to make this clearer. 1 mole of oxygen gas equals 22.4 liters at STP. 1 mole of nitrogen gas also equals 22.4 liters. 1 mole of helium, 22.4 liters. 1 mole of carbon dioxide, again, 22.4 liters. Notice the pattern? No matter which gas we choose, the answer is always the same. This makes calculations much easier once you memorize this value. Let's recap the most important point from this lesson. 1 mole of any gas at STP always occupies 22.4 liters. Remember, STP means 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere of pressure. This is a fundamental constant that you should memorize because you'll use it repeatedly in gas stoichiometry problems and other chemistry calculations. Make sure you remember, 1 mole equals 22.4 liters at STP.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.